Hello, Jessica Frost-Ballas here with video using the September My Monthly Hero kit from Hero Arts. This beautiful kit features a great full-size floral set, layering stencils, coordinating dies, and a few standalone sentiment dies as well. I decided to do a little layered stenciling on colored cardstock to create my dimensional card, so let's get started. First, I taped the flower petal stencil to a panel of Canary cardstock. Then I blended Dandelion ink over the stencil with a blending brush to create my petals. The stencils have little cutout squares in the corner to help you line them up. After I finished the first layer, I placed the next stencil on top, aligned the corner squares, and then temporarily taped it in place. I used a blending brush to apply Butterbar ink for a little shading on the inside of my sunflower petals. I removed the top stencil and then aligned the next layer and taped it in place. To create the flower centers, I started with caramel ink and then blended the last layer with Cup of Joe ink. I left off the leaves on this layer as I was just creating my sunflowers. Next, I blended my leaves on a panel of Kiwi cardstock. I used moss and forever green on each stencil layer to create my leaves. I die cut the flowers and leaves from the yellow and green cardstock using the coordinating dies, and I reserved the leftover green cardstock to use as a guide for my stamping. I placed it in my MISTI and arranged the stamp inside the opening. Then I closed the MISTI lid to pick up the stamp and placed my stenciled panel inside the opening. I prepped the panel with my powder tool and then stamped it with VersaFine and heat embossed it with clear embossing powder. I repeated the process with the leaves. Then I used my spring tip scissors to fussy cut the leaves off the yellow cardstock panel. Once the leaves were cut off the yellow cardstock, I could layer them on top of the green cardstock and the leaves would show through. Of course, you could just do the stenciling on regular white cardstock and you'd have the white border around the image, but I kinda like the way it looks on colored cardstock. I arranged the leaves on a panel of sand cardstock and adhered them to the panel. Then I used foam mounting tape to add the sunflowers on top for a little extra dimension. Finally, I added a sentiment from the kit, die cut from gold glitter cardstock, and adhered to a frame of pitch black cardstock. I added a few metallic gold sequins to finish the card. And that's it! You can find more information on the products I used in the YouTube description below or over on my blog. This kit is only available while it lasts, and it's sure to be a sellout, so don't wait too long to snag yours. You can see more cards using the kit and some of the add-ons over on my blog, and you can leave a comment on my video for a chance to win a gift card to Hero Arts. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe, make sure you click the bell so you're notified the next time I post. Here are a few more videos you might be interested in, and until next time, have an amazing day and happy crafting. Bye!